What's up, everyone? This is Imhoss, and today we're going to be opening the Toon Chaos Blister Pack. There's a lot of really good cards in here. Maybe we can pull a Toon Blackluster Soldier, the Pot of Extravagance, the Chaos Creator, or maybe the new Rarity, the Collectibles Rare. I'd really like to get the Pot of Extravagance Collectibles Rare. So I have 14 packs here, so let's see what we can get. Start with pack number 1. Let's see here. So the Keeper of Dragon Magic, Frame Driver, Black Forest. Ooh, we got a Bamboozling Gossip Shadow. It's actually a really good spellcaster card. Let's see, Envoy of Chaos, Toon World. There we go. Activate this card by paying 1,000 life points. Oh, and then we got the Chaos Emperor Dragon. You know, it's kind of actually weird to see these Chaos Emperor Dragons as a rare form. Definitely like the ultimate rares better. Or the ultra rares, excuse me. I like those a little bit better. But let's see if we can get another pack here. Move these over to the side here. Alright, let's see. Dark Flare Dragon, Leo, Blackluster Soldier, and a Magician of Hope. Okay. There's another Chaos Emperor Dragon. And I'm not sure if we can pull a collectibles rare out of the blister packs or if you have to only get the box, but I guess we're gonna find out and see if we can pull a collectibles rare. Witch of the Black Forest, Envoy of the Beginning Twilight, Masked Hero, and a Fluffle Angel. I'd also like to, like I said, get some Toon cards. That'd be really cool. Blackluster Soldier, I think he looks really good. Okay, we got a knight. Let's see here. Alright, and then we got a Valkyrie Sigrun. Here's the rest of the pack here. Pot of Desires, there we go. I believe these are actually pretty common. Still just a cool card to see though. Frame Driver, Secure Breed. Oh, and a Toon Page Flip. There we go. That's a cool card. A Toon World right behind it. There you go. Look, Toon Page Flip, Toon World. There you go. It's pretty cool. It's actually a good card to pull there. Still. Blackluster Soldier and another Magician of Hope. Okay, Toon World. Okay. Let's see. Let's Next, our Slifer here. Got our God cards here helping us out. Maybe they can help us, give us some godly pulls to be able to pull a collectible rare out of these blister packs. Alright, Dark Flare Dragon. Alright, a Frightful Minister. Code Generator. Alright, we got a few more here to open up. Alright, Black Forest, Envoy Twilight, or sorry, Evening Twilight, excuse me. Hero Blast. Oh, and a Pot of Extravagance. There we go. That's what we wanted to pull there. Too bad it's not collectible rare, but that's still a really good pull. Toon Page Flip and Pot of Extravagance. Two really good pulls there. I believe that this is actually one of the more expensive ultra rares. It's a really cool looking card in my opinion, I think. All right. Just got a few more packs here. Let's see if we can pull one of those Pot of Extravagance collectible rares. We already got some really cool cards. Let's see if we can keep it up. And Invocator. Not what we were looking for, but that's okay. Alright, let's see. Oh, look at that. A collector's rare Chaos Valkyria. Wow. Look at that. So you can pull collectible rares in the blister packs. Look at that right there. That is awesome. That is awesome. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. That looks really good. Wow. The gods gave us some luck here. Pulled the Pot of Extravagance and a collector's rare. Look at that. That is a beautiful card there. Wow. Go ahead and finish up the pack here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I know I keep saying wow a lot, but man, that is a really good looking card. Wow. Wow, that is awesome. All right, well, we still have a few more packs here. That would be epic if we can pull another collectibles rare or even another Pot of Extravagance. That would be great. But I mean, you can't really ask for much more than what we pulled already. That's already pretty epic pulls, so let's see what we can get. Supervise, Sorcerer, Hero Blast. Oh, look, and there we go. There's a Valkyrie Sigrun. We got another one of those. Let's see, we'll just spread these out here so you can see them. Make sure to put that right there. Wow, that is a beautiful card. All right, down to 2 more packs here. So let's open this up, see what we can get. Can we pull another collector's rare? Microcoder, okay. Still not a bad card. Okay, Stardust Dragon. All right, all right. The last pack of Toon Chaos. Can we pull another collector's rare in this pack? Let's find out. this one's a little stuck down here in the bottom. Sometimes these blister packs are a little difficult to open. There we go. All right, maybe because it's hard to open, that means there's something good in there. All right, so let's see here. Can we pull it? Smash that like, thumbs up button down in the bottom if you think we can pull it. Give me some luck here. Ready? Let's check. Gemini Ablation, Frame Gear Gamma, and oh, okay, so we got a Toon Terror. Still not a bad pull, but we can't really be upset with already pulling one collector's rare out of 14 blister packs. That's pretty awesome. So if you would just give this video a thumbs up at the bottom, and hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment below on future videos that you'd like to see. And thanks for watching.